there everyone, Laser Dave here again from Trotec Laser. I have another laser hack to show you today. When processing thin line digital vector graphics, I have a laser hack that will dramatically improve the efficiency when processing this kind of graphic. Let me show you exactly what I mean.
When engraving thin line graphics like this, it will be raster engraved. I'm going to process this image as it would typically be run so that we have a baseline comparison for time and quality. I will send this black graphic file as it stands to the laser machine and using standard material settings for cherry wood in this example. The standard raster engraving process engraves a graphic by moving the laser head back and forth like a printer to pulse the image into the surface, duplicating the look of the selected graphic into the material. The drawback is that this can be time consuming. As you can see in this case, the time to engrave this graphic was just over 3 minutes to process a single part onto a 4-inch cherry wood round shape. A much faster method of processing this kind of graphic can be achieved by converting the black lines to a hairline vector line and adjusting the settings to vector the lines. Vectoring is the same process as cutting the material, but with far less laser power so not to penetrate through, producing the same sized finished product in only 19 seconds in this case, versus 3 minutes and 9 seconds to engrave. But the problem is that the vector lines are much thinner than the original graphic. The laser hack is to take the laser system out of focus by 80 thousandths of an inch away from the material in this case to make the laser beam larger to produce the same line thickness of the engraving process but with the speed of the vector process. The further the laser is out of focus, the larger the laser beam will become, depending on what lens is being used. Testing is recommended to determine how much out of focus is needed to determine how large the mark needs to be. Here are the three processes side by side. The engraving process at over 3 minutes, the vector mark at 19 seconds but very thin, and lastly the out of focus vector mark with an even bolder, darker look of the engraving process with the same 19-second speed of the vector mark in this example. This process will work on most materials, pending that the graphic will allow for it. Here is the same process running in and out of focus side by side onto the surface of vegetable tanned leather. Here are finished results of the same process run on Trolay's engraving plastic.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below or see our website at troteclaser.com.